Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the broken LCD screen on your camera, on your digital camera. This goes for most digital cameras, so it should work on yours too. Alright, before you open up the camera, you're going to make sure that you have the new LCD screen, a screwdriver, with a super small tip, and your camera. You're going to first want to take out the battery so you don't shock yourself or ruin your camera like that. Then you're going to want to locate different screws inside of the camera. There should be some on the bottom and on the sides. Not the top though. And then you're going to unscrew each one. I'm going to skip this part because it's kind of boring. When you take out your screws, you're going to make sure that you keep them where you can see them and that you don't lose a single one. It's very important to keep them. After you take each screw out, you're going to want to find where there's a break in the shell, like this. You're going to carefully just pick it off a little. Like that. Once you pry the back shell open, make sure you do it very carefully, so you don't shock yourself or mess up any of the inside components of the camera. Once you get it open, it should look like this. You're going to place this over here, or you might want to clean it off. Then you're going to get the broken LCD screen. You can kind of see the crack in it. I guess you can't. But anyways, you're going to want to just kind of slide it out like this. Make sure if there's a latch, you're going to flip it up like this. It just slides right out. Like that. Then you're going to get your new one. And you're going to very carefully take it out of the bag. Make sure there are no breaks in it. Then it's all in one piece. It looks almost identical to the original one. With the latch open, you just slide it in, close this latch, fold it over, like this one was, like that. Just fold it behind. And it should pop right in, like that. Then, after you're done cleaning this off, you're just going to slide it carefully on. And make sure the inside matches up, and it should click right into place. Like that. After it's all clicked in and smooth and clean, before putting the screws back in, you're going to test to see if it works. You're going to put your battery in. Just slide it in. and then turn it on, and it works now. That's great. And then you're going to put the screws back in. That's pretty much all I need to know. Thanks for watching.